Hello friends, we'll talk about common myths which is prevailing in the society. Number 1, cancer happens due to bad karma. Well, this is a myth. So cancer does not happen due to bad karma. So it's just a state of mind that many patients believe that the ill effects or cancer happens due to their bad karma. But it's not like that. It has nothing to do with bad karma. Number 2, cancer means death sentence. That means cancer is incurable. But again, this is a myth. So cancer does not mean death sentence. There are many cancers in which after treatment, patients are long-term survivors. They are cancer winners. There are many cancers like breast cancer, colon cancer, prostate cancer, in which the 5-year survival is in the range of 90% and 95%. So cancer is curable if diagnosed early. We have to remember that. And cancer is never a death.